Hello everybody and welcome to this Paper London tutorial. We're going to start off first with the black cab, so we're going to start with the base first. So pulling out the pre-cut pieces of paper, and don't forget to take this middle piece of paper out of the base. We're going to flip the base over, and here we're going to create folds over these lines that have been marked out here. So now that you've got all of your edges folded with a sharp crease, we're going to fold the left side over and interlock it with the tab on the right side. And that will form the bottom of your cab. Now we're just going to close both ends of the cab, so I'm starting with the back of the cab here. And we're going to fold that down and then interlock it again with that tab just to secure it in place. Now do the same with the front side. Okay, now we can begin to make the top of the cab. Flip your paper over to the unprinted side, and now we're going to fold along these lines that are marked out here. Also not forgetting to fold the taxi cab sign on the top of the roof. Now all of those edges have been folded, fold the left side of the paper to the right and interlock those together. Now we're going to fold the back of the cab down and interlocking that to the base of the body of the cab. And now we're going to repeat the same for the front. Okay, now it's time to fold the taxi sign. So fold the top black part down to cover the reverse of the sign. The next job to do is to put these two pieces together. So simply just slot the body of the cab into the bottom of the cab and they'll fit together nicely like so. And that is how you make your mini black cab. Now let's move on to making the bus. So removing the cut out piece of paper from the main piece and fold along these lines here like we did with the black cab. Once you've done that, your fold line should look like this, and we're going to start with the back of the bus. So interlock from the left side into the back of the bus. And interlock the paper on the right side into the back of the bus. Now we're going to repeat those similar steps for the front of the bus, interlocking both sides to keep it in place. Now fold the bottom under and interlock with the tab from the left side. Make sure that it's all slotted together nicely, and that is how you make the bus. Now let's move on to the letterbox. So remove the letterbox from the cutout and fold along the lines here. So we're going to roll up from the bottom of the post box from the flat edge. Fold up to about halfway, and it doesn't have to be neatly rolled or compactly rolled. It can be fairly loose. And then once you get to that point, we're going to interlock from the top. So fold the top down and interlock it in through the middle. Now we're going to slot the top of the post box in. And for that, you just fold down the top and interlock it into the little slot on the post box. And then repeat the same for the bottom side. And that is how you make the post box. Now let's make the telephone box. Starting again with the cut out piece of paper, flipping it over, we're going to create some fold lines. So fold along these lines. Once they're folded, it should look like this. And we're going to pull both sides in together and interlock them. So pulling in from the left and folding in from the right and interlock those pieces together to create the main body of the telephone box. Now we're going to fold in the bottom, so fold the bottom edge flat and interlock it with the other tab on the other side. Now for the top of the telephone box, fold the shorter edge down, then fold the other side over the top of it and interlock into the left side of the telephone box, and that is how you create the telephone box. Thank you so much for watching everybody, and I hope you enjoy creating your mini Paper London kit.